Hello everyone, it's KWS here once again, and as you can see today I'm looking at this Compaq deskpro EN computer. It's a desktop computer, of course. It works fine. I have tested it and it hasn't failed yet. Hope that today is not the first day that it's going to fail, but it works fine just now, and that's why we're gonna have a closer look on it. Here we have a floppy drive, 1.44 megabytes. Then we have a CD-ROM drive. It's only a reader. It's a slim drive. Here we have a power button and the LEDs. We don't have a reset switch. That's kind of funny. At the back we have a power supply, of course. It's 90 watts and it's a Compaq product. Here we have a serial port, and here we have another. Then we have the audio connections and the USBs 1.0. Then we have a parallel port. Then we have the onboard Ethernet adapter. Then we have a mouse and a keyboard and the VGA output. As well, I have actually included a Ethernet connection to this one, so yes, and it's from ET Info Systems. So let's open it up. Opening it up is rather easy. We just have two latches over here. We just push them down like so, and then it pops right up. The case is about 75% toolless. So let's have a look. Here we have the floppy drive, the slim drive, Under that we have a hard drive. Slim drive actually pops up rather easily, just like so, no tools required. It has only one connection over here. We have a 2.16 gigabytes Samsung hard drive, model number VU23163A. It has 16 heads. So don't bad to forget this one. So let's pop that in like so. At the front we actually have some screws for mounting the hard drives and the other things that we wanna screw in. Here we have the hinge for the rack over here. Under the rack we have Intel Pentium 2 processor. It has 650 megahertz processor in it. We have like how many? 128 and 64 megabytes. It's about 186 megabytes of 192 actually 192 megabytes of SD-RAM. Then we have the power supply, and I actually have written OK because it works. Then we have the toolless system for that. Popping it off, it's quite hard actually. I have to like this. So here we have the extension connections. As you can see, we have a ISA Ethernet adapter and two PCIs just in case. And that's not toolless. That's bad. Then we have a video RAM over here and video RAM extension. It's a ATI 3D Rage Pro Turbo AGP, as you can see over here. Then we have the connection for this one. Then we have the north bridge and the south bridge over here. And then we have some voltage regulators, and here we have the speaker and the locking mechanism under there. That's the pin that comes out and locks the case actually. So let's pop up the power supply. As you can see, we have some notes how to open it up. So yes, we have a 80mm fan at the front of the power supply that blows air. It pulls over the air inside here and then out here and then into the power supply and out the back. As you can see, it has a rather unique connection over here. So I actually had a computer that failed and I didn't have nothing to replace it. So as you can see, one of the serial ports is away from the board, so they had to link it up with a ribbon cable. So yeah, here we have the large clock battery and some connections and a voltage regulator, and here we have the power supply. So we have an input of 120, 127, 20, 200, 240, 3 1.4 amps, 60 to 50, 60 hertz, and output is 90 watts, plus 5 volt rail, and plus 3.3 has the maximum power of 65 watts, and the 5 volt, the 12 plus 12 volt as 1.5 and minus 12 volt 0.2 amps. So I'm putting it back together is rather easy. Just throw like that and just go like this, and then I have to push the toes back out both sides and like so. So thank you for watching another video from KWS. Don't forget to subscribe and leave your comments down below, and if you have any questions you can send them to my email or leave them down on the comment section. So we'll see you another time.